Hi, Tom here at our pastime. It's almost 20 degrees out with a wind chill factor of a lot colder, closer to zero. I had a person ask me on YouTube, where is the air filter on the Cub? We're looking at it. It's right here. Believe it or not, air comes through here, down this pipe, down through this bowl here. And what's inside of here may surprise some of you. It's actually, if we can get that off, just a second, move the clip out of the way, move that right out of the way. What we have here is oil, a bowl of oil. See the oil dripping out of there? Right here we have oil. The air gets sucked down through the middle in that middle ring and is forced through the oil and cleaned. The air is cleaned as it passes through the oil. So in order to clean your oil filter or your air filter, you simply put fresh oil in there and fill it up to that ring that you can see right there. That's the fill line. And put fresh oil in, put the bowl back in, put your clip on, and you have changed the air filter, oil bath air filter on your Cub. Just as easy as that. No parts to buy, just some oil, fresh oil to put in your bowl, and you have serviced your air filter for your tractor. That's where it's located, right in the front, right ahead of the carburetor, up above a little bit, on a Farmall Cub. This is Tom at our pastime with a helpful little tip that was prompted by a question on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you again real soon.